Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is about the space bar and making copies of an item with a space bar, especially if you were drawing a flower and you didn't want it to be symmetrical. You could put the rotation of the bottom of the flower and start rotating it, and then just as you're going around, just hit your space bar. This way it's not going to be a perfect flower like Mother Nature would do. You know, nothing's perfect, and then you could take all those and weld it together. Now, I didn't do a great job, but you could always, when you're even in this mode, you could go back and go, well, I want one more between there. The rotation is still in that center. You could just hit it and hit space bar. Well, I need another one right there. Hit space bar, maybe another one right there. And then weld it and just see what it looks like. And you can always go back. I'm not doing a great job, but it is pretty neat when you could just take a rectangle and move it and then hit the space bar. Just wherever you hit the space bar, it's going to this would be real handy if you were trying to put a bunch of squares or even ellipses into a shape and you don't want them perfect. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.